India on Thursday marked the 78th Independence Day with Prime Minister Narendra Modi hoisting the national flag at the Red Fort in capital New Delhi. Leading the celebrations, PM Modi said he hoped for restoration of peace, stability and safety of minorities, especially Hindus in Bangladesh, where violent protests erupted last month. He said India wants its neighbors to walk in the path of peace and prosperity. In the days to come, we will continue to wish well for Bangladesh, its journey of development, as we care about the welfare of humankind. He added, New Delhi's eastern neighbor, Bangladesh, which was part of undivided India before the country gained freedom from the British rule, has been embroiled in violent protests, with homes, businesses and temples of Hindus in the Muslim-majority country getting targeted following PM Sheikh Hasina's resignation last week. Hundreds of Bangladeshi Hindus have unsuccessfully tried to flee to India, where Hasina has sought refuge.
बांग्लादेश में जो कुछ भी हुआ है उसको लेकर पड़ोसी देश के नाते चिंता होना मैं इसको समझ सकता हूं। मैं आशा करता हूं कि वहां पर हालात जल्द ही सामान्य होंगे। खास करके 140 करोड़ देशवासियों की चिंता कि वहां हिंदू, वहां के अल्पसंख्यक, उस समुदाय की सुरक्षा सुनिश्चित हो। भारत हमेशा चाहता है कि हमारे पड़ोसी देश सुख और शांति के मार्ग पर चले।
Talking about the ability to hit back, the Prime Minister said there was a time when the country was a victim of terror attacks, but today it is bold and strong, with the armed forces giving a befitting reply to anyone who tries to harm the sovereignty, unity and integrity of the country. He also expressed concern about the recent incident of sexual assault and murder of a resident doctor in West Bengal. As a society, we have to think about the atrocities being committed against our mothers, daughters and sisters. There is outrage against this in the country. I can feel this outrage, PM Modi said in his annual address.